Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 9th. Today student we are going to understand how to work with custom animation in OpenOffice Impress application. Okay, to start it we have to understand it through theoretically first. So you can see student custom animation. So there are many animation feature for the text, drawing, etc. In slide. Using the features you can add or change or remove the animation feature. It means to say student like object are there like text, images, drawings, whatever the things inside your slide is it considered as object. Okay, if we are going to add new particular animation for that, we can enhance the animation effect also or decrease the animation effect also. Okay, or we can apply individually in one by one object animation effect also. It is known as custom animation. We can remove the animation also, we can add the animation also. It is known as custom animation. So student, we are doing it practically. So what I will do student, I will open the OpenOffice 4.17. then after that I have to open already created file, that is duplicate slides. Okay, in that you will see this particular slides, I am to say presentation will open, whatever we discussed in earlier video. Okay, in this how to perform the custom animation. Now you can see student, here are slides. So wherever I will apply the animation, I'm to say custom animation, you have to select that particular slide from the slide view, and then you will go to this particular star button. You can see that custom animation. As we'll click on it, you will see this particular whole panel will be custom animation will open in front of you. It is currently disabled. Why? Because I have not selected any object yet. So to perform the animation, I am to say custom animation, you have to select the object. As you will select the object, this add button will enable in front of you. You have to click on add option. Now you can see student, here number of the tabs are given here like exist, motion path, that is MIC effect, entrance. So it is show you in which event you are going to perform, I am to say add which animation. So suppose that here like box. Okay, so you can see that like this option will come. Okay, then if you will select the circle, so you can see it will come in a form of circle also, and flash ones it will come like flash. Okay, now wheel, now you can see this will come look like this. Okay, so you can set the speed also, very slow, medium, fast, very fast. So I will select fast. Now you can see now diagonal sequence or a square, then wheel. Okay, now you can see it will come in a form of wheel. Okay, so like this you will apply. Emphasize. Okay, now change font, you can see that it will change the font. Okay, and the transparency, if you will select, it will be in a form of transparency. Now you can see. Okay, and exit, on the basis of exit I will say that fly out. Okay, like it will come look like this. Motion path, suppose that here 4 star, so it will come in a form of 4 star, 8 star. Okay, 8 point star, so it will come up 8 point star. And MIC effect, that is toggle pause as star media. Okay student, so after that you will just click on OK, and now you will check how your presentation look. Select this slide and then press F5 button. Now you can see this will come, okay, in the form of this particular way, and press escape like this. So you can see duplicate slideshow view. So this is your what thing, slideshow. Okay student, so you have to just go here, and then after that we are going to select another one what thing object, that is text again. So you have to click on fly in option. So now you can see it will come look like this. Press OK option. Okay, so from bottom, from top, there are number of the option are there student. So here you can remove the effect also, I am to say animation also. You can change it, okay, by this flip. Okay, or you can just on click with previous. Okay, fast, slow, you can give this, and you can just see in slideshow also. As you click, okay, you can see look like this, it will come. Okay, so here we have understand how to perform the custom animation. Okay student, now we are doing the same thing with another one slide. Long term goal I will select. You can see this will open. You can select exit. Okay, dissolve. Okay, look like this, and press OK option. Now we have selected. Here is on click with previous or whatever. Suppose that I am going to on click only, very fast, very slow. Suppose that we are going to say medium. Okay, and then suppose that if you add another one animation on improvises like bold, okay, or style improvises, okay, like this, and okay. So now you can see there are two animation I applied. You can change the order of this by selecting this only. You can select this. If it is upper one, you can see this one arrow will come. If it's down one, this one thing. So you can just click and just change the order of them also, and then you can see play option, so it will come look like this, okay. Or you can just press slideshow, so you can see on click it will change, okay student. So now you can see at last it will dissolve, okay, and press escape for exiting the slideshow view. So here student, we have learned how to apply the custom animation in OpenOffice Impress application. You will do the practice with that with all possible effect. I will show you H2O, okay. Here is containing all content, so you can see number of the animation are there, okay, along with its speed, exit, motion path. So you can see the diamond, equal triangle, okay, then you can see that, okay. So you can select one of them, okay, peanut, okay, like this, okay, and press OK. So here slideshow, just click on it, it will change. First one long-term goal, then this one, okay. You can see animation goes here, which is very effective and attractive. Now student, I hope you have learned it well. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.